Hello, welcome. My name is Shapefiles. I am a student of planning and GIS, and in this channel I talk about how to do mapping with ArcGIS, GeoGIS and ArcGIS Pro. So if you are interested in this topic, then consider subscribing to this channel, hit on the bell icon and hit the like button of this video. Thank you very much. Okay, so in today's video we are going to learn how to georeference an image. I have a video of how to georeference aerial image with Microsoft Excel and KML. You can check that out. But what if you've been given a map like this that georeference it and let's say redraw the features on it? How are you going to do it? That is what this video is going to focus on. So let's go to ArcGIS. So before you start, you first have to set your coordinate system. So you can come to the table of content, or you can right click anywhere on the map. You go to data frame property, you go to coordinate systems. This is the coordinate system I want to use, Accra Ghana grid. So you can decide the coordinate system that you want to use. And let me clarify it before you get the map. You see, I got this particular map from somewhere, so you need to ask the person who gave you the map, what coordinate system did you use to actually come up with this particular map? If the person used WGS 1984, then you have to use that one to do the georeferencing over here. Are you getting the concept? Yes. So where I got the map, the person actually used this coordinate system. So I'll choose that one. So I'll set my coordinate system. Do you get it? Before I go and drag the map. When I come here, you see that this is what we are going to do. We are going to use this vertices. One is meeting here, this one is meeting here, this one is meeting here, this one is meeting here. Are you getting it? We want to give it a kind of balance. So always try and choose the meeting point that is as far to the corner as possible. So if there are two grid lines that are meeting over here, I would have chosen that particular grid line over this. But here I don't have a choice. I have to choose this, this and that. Do you get it? So always consider the grid lines that are far away as possible. Do you get it? And one other thing, we are going to use the coordinate system. So if we click here, we need to look at this one and this one. If we click here, we need to look at this one and this one. And in normal plotting, ordinary, this should have been the x-axis and this should have been the y-axis. But in GIS and georeferencing, this is rather the x and this line is rather the y. Do you get it? Yes. So that is the basic requirements and clarification I needed to make. So when you come here, after you've decided the grid lines or the points you are going to use for the georeferencing, you first look at the 4 points, then you write the coordinates down. Are you getting me? So if you come here, the x is 633,000. So you come here, I have written it here, 633,000, and the y is 717,500. Let's go back and check. 717,500. Are you seeing it? Then we come to the B, point B. X is 633,500. Let's go and check. 633,500, and y is also this. Are you getting it? Then we come to C. X is 633,500. You see that the x over here is the same x over here. So x, this particular figure will appear twice. This particular figure will also appear twice over here because it is the x for point A. It is also the x for point D. Are you getting it? So always when you write them down, know that the figures will appear twice. This one is here. It is also here. Are you getting it? Because it is the point y. It is coordinate y for point A and coordinate y for point B. Are you getting it? Having written them down, I hope you got it. So you come to point A, it's x and y, then you write them down. Point B, it's x and y, then you write them down. Point C, it's x and y. Always know that the x is the line coming from the top to the down, and the y is the line coming from the right to this left side, or from here to here. Are you getting it? Then you write them down. Having established that, then you come and use the georeferencing toolbar. This is it. If it is not there, you go to customize, toolbars, georeferencing is there. Then you take the add control point, you select it, then you zoom in. You want it to be accurate, so you zoom in, you select it. When you select it, then you right click, you see input XY data. You come here, what is the X of point A? It is this. You copy it, then you come here, then you copy that of the Y. Then you click OK. The map has been vanished, but no problem. You come to the table of content, you right click, zoom to layer, it is back. Now let's just go to point B. So that one too, you zoom in. You want it to be accurate. Then you select it, you right click, input XY data. So point B, this is its X. You copy, you paste it here. Its Y is this. You paste it here. Are you getting it? Then you press OK. Let us go to point C. You zoom in again. Point C, this is the X. You copy it. Then you come here. Then you paste it there. Then you paste it there. Last one, the point D. Select the point D. This is its X. You paste it there. Are you getting it? So now we are done with the georeferencing. Do you get it? So you can actually come here, then you create a shapefile, then you draw them up. Are you getting it? So this is what I mean. You can come here, then you create a shapefile. Maybe you create a shapefile of polygon. You choose the coordinate system. When you create the shapefile, edit, start edit. You can quickly, I didn't name the shapefile, sorry. Let's go back. Let me just rename it. Let's say plots. Do you get it? So you right click, you go to edit, then you can just start drawing. Let's say you want to draw only this red plots. If you want to know how to draw or digitize, you can check the video with a link over there. I teach you how you can digitize from scratch. Do you get it? And you can also create another shapefile and draw the rows over there and do whatever analysis you want to do with the image. Are you getting it? So this is how you georeference an image. Do you get it? A map that someone has already done. The map can be given to you so that you georeference and reanalyze or reuse it for whatever analysis that you want to do. Yes. So thank you very much for watching, and I would like to see you in my next video. Bye bye.